All right, team. We got a 2017 Dodge Ram. Customer states that they are hearing noises from the drivetrain area. So we're going to be taking a look at some axles today on this vehicle. The customer already has the axles in the vehicle, which is good. Just going to go ahead and start by doing a little walk around here. I do want to mention, you always want to put your safety first. You always want to make sure that you add your blocks in the back of the vehicle. And then you always want to make sure you secure the vehicle with jack stands, which I have here. Once I take off the lug nuts for both sides of this vehicle, we will proceed to jack the vehicle up with the blocks in the back, jack stands underneath, and then, you know, we'll start our work. Now that concludes our walk around here, I'll cut you back on once we get ready to start taking and disassembling. Cut you back on.
So team, I broke the bolts on the caliper. I'm going to go ahead and reveal the caliper and the brakes to see if we might need to go a little deeper and change the rotors and the brake pads. So I'm going to do that now.
All right, team. Got the blocks on, jack stands underneath, wheels off, lug nuts inside the wheels. So at this point in time, I have confirmed that the axles do need to be changed. Here's the customer complaint. The boot is in bad shape. The boot completely came apart, which is causing some of that moving inside here. So we're gonna go ahead and change that up for the customer. It actually happened on both sides, the same exact thing. I'm not gonna show you that real quick. Looking at the other side, same thing. That boot just completely split, causing some of that moving, that jerking inside is what the customer is hearing. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that for the customer. Also, he explained that he might need to have the rotors changed and the brakes changed, which I'm going to have to kind of go in a little deeper. I mean, it looked like the wear, it's kind of rough right here, but it's smooth a little further down. That's kind of a concern. So more than likely, I'll probably have to break this down. Break the caliper down, just kind of get a good visual of the rotor and the brakes, and I'll cut you back on.
They want a monster. People they real steady try to bring me under. Take 2 seats, that's right. Got a new life in Christ. They want a monster. People they steady try to bring me under. Take 2 seats, that's right. Got the new life in Christ. Thank you for waking me up. I'm eating these beats for lunch. Bon appetit for the demons. We thinking we weak. The game ain't dirty. I'm mopping them up till it's clean. God be good, my cadence is me. Kingdom be booming, you know what I mean. Faking the funk is not what it seems. The devil so clever, he's selling them dreams. God be dope for him, I'm a fiend. Just follow the light, follow the beam. Don't care if you like it or not, but stare in the pot, I never stop. Hell be hot, hot or cold, go pick your spot. You wasted time, don't watch the
Go ahead and set this up here just for inspection. Oh wow. Yeah. Look at this. He's got uneven wear. So we're gonna go ahead and probably go ahead and change the brakes and rotors for the customer. Let's see if we can notice any wear on. Oh yeah, there's wear. There's wear. There's definitely wear on these rotors.
With my friends, oh me went bye. Not even gonna lie. On my knees and cry.
So, example A, definitely need to change the brakes. He won't be able to leave here without brakes changed, so we're gonna go ahead and get that done. Let's look at that rotor. Oh yeah, we're going to uneven wear. It's rough right here, smooth right here. So I'm going to go ahead and send this information out to the customer, and we'll probably go ahead and put in, I probably have to go pick up some brakes and go ahead and change the brakes and rotors for the customer. Alright, once I get into it, I'll cut you back on. Thanks, team. This thing's got some good power, so let me just see if this can come off with just doing this. Oh, look at that. Easy money. That's why you always want to kind of treat your stuff, because then if you treat it, it'll do you justice coming out. It won't be as hard. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the disassembling part on this side. Just kind of want to give y'all a look at turning the bolts and how it kind of looks. But I'll cut you back on once I go to the install.
Hey team, so we did end up finishing that install while doing the brakes and rotors. Everything was brand new. We ended up taking care of that customer. So I want to go ahead and thank y'all for watching and tuning in. And if you got anything that could help, that would make these videos easier, or if you would like to see the disassembly and install, be sure to reach out into the comments or reach out on my page, and we can discuss things like that that'll help out even further.